Hello guys, welcome to Heavy Crypto. My name is Arthur. In this video I'm going to show you how exactly you can make money with Binance spot trading. And for those who don't know what spot trading is all about buying low and selling high. So if you want to avoid, or if you don't want to take derivatives or futures risk, I suggest that you should use or stick to spot trading. So spot trading is all about buying low and selling high. So for example, you'd buy Bitcoin at lower price and then you sell it later at higher price, and people don't know when exactly they should be buying and when exactly they should be selling. So in this video I'm going to show you how exactly you're going to make passive income with spot trading, and we're going to be using Binance Crypto Exchange, and the link to Binance is going to be in the description below. So without any further ado, let's get right into it. So right now we are looking at market dashboard, and this is the price of Bitcoin in South African rand, but I'm gonna have to change it because we have a lot of people from outside. So in this case we're gonna use USD. all right, USD, this one right here. All right, so right now we have prices in USD, and this is the price of Bitcoin right now as I'm recording this video. But in this case you are only focusing on spot trading, so it doesn't really matter with whether using a phone or desktop, is pretty much the same thing. So you're simply gonna go to this tab right here where it's written trading once you sign up on Binance. Right, so you're gonna go to this tab where it's written trading and click spot trading. Okay, if you click margin, it's gonna take you to futures or derivatives dashboard, and if you click P2P, it's gonna take you to P2P dashboard. But in this case you are only focusing on spot trading. So with spot trading we want to make money by simply buying low at lower price and sell later at higher price, and this is exactly what I'm going to show you in this video, and I'm going to show you tricks and strategies that you can use to make passive income with this strategy. So as you can see right here, it's gonna give me trading view chart. Right, this is trading view chart and it's loading up right now, and this is my wallet. Right, so I only have like $3,000 and this is the amount that I'm going to use to trade and all that stuff to show you in this video. So I just want to take you through this dashboard. This is Binance spot trading dashboard. Right here you have got order book, right? So this is the current price right now on Binance, and these are people that are selling at higher price. As you can see, this is the current price, and from this price going upwards, price will be increasing. All right, because these people want to sell at higher price. So from this point going upwards, price will be increasing, and these people want to buy at lower price or are called buyers, and these ones are called sellers. So from this price going downwards, the price will be decreasing. All right, so as you can see, this is 37,267 and this is 37,257. all right, so price is decreasing, right, from highest point to the lowest point and this one is increasing from the lowest point to the highest point. So if I scroll down right here, you have got a chart. So right here I've got a trading view chart, or you can also click right here to switch to original chart from Binance, but I prefer you to use trading view chart because you're gonna get these tools, right? And if you don't know how to use these tools and stuff like that, I suggest that you watch this tutorial. This is full trading view tutorial, and you're gonna know pretty much anything and how to use these tools. So right here you've got prices, and you can search right here any coin that you want. So for example, if you want to see Cardano pair, you can simply search ADA and you're gonna see Cardano pair and stuff like that. And right here I've got past trades, so all of these trades are recorded right here. Okay, so you can see some people are buying and some people are selling. Those green numbers represent people that are buying, and those red numbers represent people that are selling. And right here I've got two tabs, right? This is a selling tab and this is a buying tab. So right now I want to buy and I have to focus on this tab, and you can simply see right here it's written buy Bitcoin, right? And if I want to sell, I'm gonna focus on this tab because I'm willing to sell my Bitcoin. So as I said in this video, saying that spot trading is all about buying low and selling high. Right, for example, you can see this is a Bitcoin chart and this is the 1 hour time frame. You are expected to buy right here and then sell right here at higher price and make profit, and that's exactly what spot trading is all about. If you scroll down, you'd see 4 tabs right here. Right here you have spot trading, followed by cross, isolated, and grid. So these are futures, right? So if you click cross, you're gonna go to futures dashboard. because this is derivatives dashboard and this is also futures. So in this video, we're not focusing on futures trading or derivatives. We are only focusing on sports because I want to show you how exactly you can make money with spot trading and without risk involved. So right here you've got markets and limit tab. Okay, if you click limits or use limits, it means that you're gonna use your own price to buy Bitcoin. Okay, so for example, right now Bitcoin is being traded at 37,200. So if I want to buy Bitcoin at 37,100, I should use limit right here because it's gonna allow me to use my own price. Okay, but if you click markets like this, you're gonna use a current price to buy Bitcoin. So if I want to buy Bitcoin right now immediately and I don't want to wait and all that stuff, I'm gonna have to use market and my order is gonna be filled immediately at this current price. Okay, so as I always recommend people to use limits order because you're gonna save up on transaction fees and stuff like that. But if you use markets right here, you pay a little bit of fees because you are taking from the market and your order gets filled immediately. So right now, for example, if I want to buy Bitcoin at 37,100, I'm gonna put a price right here, 37,100. Okay, 37,100. I want to buy Bitcoin when the price of Bitcoin reaches 37,100, and right here I have to put the amount of Bitcoin, or I can simply scroll this, right? So let's swipe this to, let's say if I want to use 50% of my money, meaning that I'm gonna get amount of this Bitcoin, and I will spend 1,500 because you can see I only have like 3,000 US dollars right here. Okay, so I'm using 50% of my money and I'll get amount of this Bitcoin and I will spend 1,500 USD. Okay, so this is it about spot trading. You simply have to buy low and then sell higher at higher price. Okay, and if I use market order like this, you'd notice that that option of setting my own price is gonna disappear. So right now it's only gonna take from the market, just like what's going on right here. So I can only put the amount that I'm willing to spend only. So I can either swipe this to anywhere I want or put my own price right here. So let's say I'm willing to spend half of my money or 50%. I can simply put 1,500, and you're gonna see that I'll spend 50% of my money that I have. But if I want to use my own price, like by using a limit order, I can simply swipe and put this in order book. All right, so when the price of Bitcoin reaches, okay, let's say 37,000 straight, right, and I want to spend 50% of my money and click buy, it's gonna go to order book. All right, so this is the order right here, is waiting to be filled, and when the price of Bitcoin reaches 37,000, this order is gonna get filled. As you can see right now, the price of Bitcoin is decreasing and all that stuff, and this amount of Bitcoin that I'm gonna get and is a buy order, right? So this is the pair BTC to USDT, this is the date and time, and this is the total amount that I have spent on this order. So same thing applies to this section right here. Right here you can see that I have 0.04 or 3 etc amounts of Bitcoin. So let's say I want to sell this amount of Bitcoin, I can simply use either limits or markets, right? If you use markets, I'm gonna sell it immediately and I'm gonna pay a certain amount for transaction fee. And if I use a limit order, I can also put my own price. So we bought this at a price of 37,100, right? So let's say I want to make profits, I want to sell at 37,200. Can simply put right here, oh, 37,300. It has already posted the price right here. So I want to sell this amount of Bitcoin that I have on my wallet. So I'm just gonna swap to 100% because I want to make profit. Okay, so I'll sell at higher price, which is 37,300, and I'll set an order. So you're gonna see that it's gonna go to order book waiting to be filled. So if the price of Bitcoin goes up and reaches 37,300, this order is gonna get executed. But then the problem is many people don't know when exactly they should be buying and when exactly they should be selling. As you can see, price of Bitcoin is very volatile, it goes up and down. All right, so you need to know when exactly you should be buying, and many people end up buying the top and sell the bottom. and that's like losing money, right? It means you're buying at the top and you're selling at the bottom, and then you lose money. You should be buying at the bottom and sell at the top. And to solve that issue, use heavy crypto indicators. You can see this indicator tells me when it's good time to buy and when it's good time to sell. So we have got like 3 indicators that help us to make all this happen, right? And you can use all these indicators in futures trading as well, but in this video we're only focusing on spot trading. As you can see, when the price of Bitcoin is low or when the price of Bitcoin is about to go up, you get these buying signals or the red dots and the momentum and stuff like that. By the way, guys, if you want to know about all these indicators, I made a full tutorial on this channel, and you better watch this video on how I make $85 daily, or watch this My Lono Secret Exposed, or you can even watch this tutorial. So as you can see, this indicator simply tells me when it's good time to buy and when it's good time to sell. When it says sell, the price go down, and when it says buy, the price go up, and stuff like that. And moreover, other than that, we have Heavy Crypto Pro indicator. Is also an indicator that tells you when it's good time to buy and sell, and is advanced indicator, right? As you can see, it includes this line telling you whether you are in an uptrend, and it has also this red line that tells you whether you are in a downtrend and stuff like that. So these are really important indicators, and this is also a reason why we are able to make this passive income. As you can see, making approximately 100 a day and stuff like that, 1000 a day, or over 145% simply trading using these tools and stuff like that. So these are really important tools, and they work in real time. So once you get these tools to help you throughout your trading career, you get training, and there are video tutorials that will guide you and pretty much tell you on how exactly you can use these tools and stuff like that on a private group. So these tools are really important, and they're easy to use. All you have to do is to follow these signals, buy and sell signals, and follow these trend line directions and stuff like that, including the heavy crypto momentum based indicator. When it gives you a buying signal or a green dot, just like what happened right here, the price go up, and when it gives you a red signal, just like what here, the price go down. So as you can see, these tools are really simple to use, and there's more to these tools, like the money flow, this green cloud that's in between the middle line. All right, so this money flow tells you how much money is entering into the market. You have got the RSI, it tells you when the market is overbought and oversold. So you're gonna learn pretty much all this stuff and get these tools once you get heavy crypto tools or heavy crypto indicator. The link to these tools is gonna be in the description, at the very top of the description as well, and you can use this tool to help you out with your spot trading journey or your derivatives journey. So this is it. My name is Arthur. Just wanted to make this video to show you how exactly you can make money with spot trading and using heavy crypto indicators. And if you have more questions and you want to ask me, you can contact me on Telegram. The link to my Telegram is going to be in the description below as well. So this is it. My name is Arthur. Therefore, I'll send to the video. Love and peace, my friends.